Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to view past members in a WhatsApp group, a feature that's recently been updated and made easier to access. Whether you're an admin or just a curious group participant, this quick guide will show you step by step how to check who used to be part of your chat. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so all the newest features are available. Once you've opened it, head over to the group chat you want to check. Tap on the group from your chat list just like you normally would when sending a message. Next, once you're inside the group, tap on the group name displayed right at the top of the screen. This will open the group's info page, the place where you can edit settings, see participants, change the group photo, and more. Now, scroll down through the group info page. Keep going until you reach the section that lists all current participants. Just below that, you'll notice a new option labeled View Past Members. Tap on it. Once you open that section, you'll see a list of all the people who were once part of your group but have since left or been removed. It shows their names, and depending on your version of WhatsApp, you might also see when they exited the group. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can see everyone who's ever been part of the group, a handy way to keep track of past conversations or remember who used to be involved. This feature is especially useful for admins who manage large community chats or work-related groups. It helps maintain a clear record of membership without having to dig through old messages. So now you know how to view past members on a WhatsApp group quickly and easily. Try it out on your favorite group and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching.